So minterms and max terms. Minterms and max terms. So in minterms we can write definition. Each individual each individual term in SSOP. So standard SOP form is called as minterm. Is called as minterm. Next max term. Each individual term in SPOS is called as max term. So SSOP means standard SOP form. SPOS means standard POS form. So SOP means sum of products. POS means product of sum. This is the minterm definition and max term definition. So for two variable minterms and we can write minterms and max terms. So how to write minterms and max terms for two variable, two table. For two variable. So here variables A, B. Here minterm. Here max term. So this is SSOP form. Here SPOS. So in A comma B variables. So what are the combinations? Already we know that 0, 0, A equal to 0, B equal to 0, and 0, 1 combination, and 1, 1 combination, and 1, 0 combination. So in SSOP form, we can write this. Here we take if A equal to 0, then here also, then here we take the complement. If we have one variable is 1, then we should write same value in SOP. So in POS, if variable equal to 1, equal to 1, then we take the complement. If variable is equal to 0, then we take the same value. That means here if A equal to 1 in SOP or in minterm, if A equal to 1, then we should take the same number. If A equal to 0, if variable equal to 0, then we take the complement. Here, if variable equal to 1, then we take the complement of that. If A equal to 0, then we take the same. So here A is 0, B is 0. That means if 0 means we take a complement. A complement, B complement. Here A 0, that means A complement, B equal to 1. B equal to 1 means as it is B. Next A equal to 1, B equal to 1. That means we take A, B. Here A equal to 1, B equal to, sorry, here we take the combination 0, 0, 0, 1 and 1, 0, 1, 1. That means here A equal to 1 means A, B equal to 0 means B complement. Here A equal to 1, B equal to 1. That means A, B. So when the variable equal to 0, we take the A complement. Here also B equal to 0, that means here B complement. Here A variable equal to 0, that means A complement. B equal to 1, that means only B. Here A equal to 0 means, sorry, A equal to 1 means we should write only A. So B equal to 0 means B complement. Here A equal to 1 and B equal to 1, we should write only A, B. Next, so these are the minterms. So minterms we should indicate small m naught first one, m1 second one, m2 third one, and m3. So sum of product, here we take only dot. Here only we take a dot. Dot means the AND gate operation. Here in POS, so A equal to 0. So 0 means we take same A plus B equal to 0 means B. So A equal to 0, that means A, and B equal to 1 means B bar. Next, A equal to 1 means A bar plus B equal to 0 means B. So A equal to B equal to 1 means A bar plus B bar. So this indicates M naught max terms, capital M naught, M1, M2, M3. So here products of sum. So that here we taking OR gate operation, OR gate operation. So this is about max terms and min terms and max terms. So in min terms, if A equal to 0, then we take the complement. But if variable equal to 1, we take the same. Here, if variables equal to 0, we take the same, but variables equal to 1, we take the bar. Next, SOP form. SOP. So in SOP form, here I am taking total number of combinations in three variables. Total number of combinations in three variables. So 2 power n equal to 2 power n equal to. So if three variables, we have three variables. So 2 power n means 2 power 3 equal to 8 combinations. 8 combinations. And we have 8 sets also. So in three variables, a comma b comma c are three variables. For that three variables, here I am drawing truth table. Already we know that what is the truth table. In full order, we saw in 3 variable truth table. In full order, already we know that what is the truth table. What are the combinations also. So here A, B, C. Here I am writing expression. Here I am writing expression. So A, B, C. Here output Y. So in first case, I am taking 3 variables in zero condition, and zero condition means low condition. Here output is 0. Next here I am taking A is in low condition, B is in high condition, and sorry, B is also in low condition, and C is in one condition. Here we have output 0. So here I am writing, because here we get minterms A, B, C, Y. So 0, 0, 0. So all variables in low condition, we get output in low condition. And A is in low condition, B is in low condition, C is in high condition. We get low output. And 0, 1, 0. So 0, 1, 0 means A is in low condition, B is in high condition, C is in low condition. We get output high. So 0, 1, 1. 0, 1, 1 means A is in low condition, B comma C in both in high condition. We get output 0. Next 1, 0, 0. Only A in high condition, B comma C in low condition. In this also we get output 1. Next 1, 0, 1. 1, 0, 1. So 1, 0, 1. So 1, 0, 1 means A is in high condition, B is in low condition, and C is in high condition. In this also we get output 1. And 1, 1, 0. 1, 1, 0 means A comma B in high condition, C is in low condition. We get output 1. Last one. So all variables in high condition, we get output. So for this truth table, here given truth table, here given only 3 variables. For 3 variables. So combinations 2 power n equal to 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 combinations. So in 8 combinations, we write the output values from this. Here in 5 times we get high output. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In 5 places we have one output. So this one 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5. So in 5 cases we get output is in high. So for this one we can write the function. So for this one we have A comma B in one. A is in low condition, B is in high condition, and C is in low condition. That means A equal to 0, B equal to 1, and C equal to 0.